The wait is finally over, and the first real-world hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is finally here, causing a major buzz across the entire tech space. Shared unexpectedly through Max Jambor and posted by Minku Andre on Mobileissimo, this early leak isn't just surprising, it's electrifying. Seeing the Z Flip 7 for the first time, resting on what seems to be its official retail box, you instantly get the sense that Samsung is playing in a league of its own this year. This isn't just another iteration, it's a bold evolution. The design has been polished to near perfection. The new dual camera layout looks symmetrical and purposeful, while the premium finish, likely Gorilla Glass Victus 3 or something even tougher, catches light in a way that screams sophistication. Everything about this device radiates flagship quality, and that's before we even get to how it folds. The hinge looks like a masterpiece in itself, more compact, more solid, and now nearly gapeless when closed. That tiny flex you used to feel in previous models? Gone. Instead, you get a clean, silent, and confidence-inspiring fold that shows just how far Samsung's engineering has matured. The compact footprint makes it perfect for one-handed use, while still giving you a full-screen experience when unfolded. It's clear Samsung has gone back to the drawing board, not just refining, but redefining what a clamshell foldable should be in 2025. You can almost feel the balance between style and substance. No creaks, no compromise. Just a razor-sharp focus on user experience. And even though official specs are still under wraps, this video tells us a lot. The Z Flip 7 looks thinner, perhaps even lighter, yet sturdier. That likely points to upgraded internals. Possibly a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, better heat dissipation, and smarter battery management. We also expect this to launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16, bringing a wave of AI-powered features and multitasking enhancements that take full advantage of the foldable form factor. And let's talk about that camera. While we're seeing only two lenses, don't be fooled. Samsung's software processing paired with larger sensors and AI optimization could make this the best performing flip camera yet, especially for low-light shooting and social media-ready content. There's also growing speculation about Samsung finally integrating improved dust resistance and enhanced water sealing, something the foldables category has struggled with in the past. If that's true, it could mean the Flip 7 isn't just stylish, it's built to last.